everyone, welcome to my channel Maths Friendly. In today's class, we will do question number 7 of exercise 1.2 of first chapter Knowing Our Numbers from 6th class Maths NCERT book. Now let us read the question. A merchant had rupees 78,592 with her. So she had how many rupees? She had 78,592 rupees with her. So what is merchant? What was she? She was a merchant, and a merchant had rupees this much with her. Merchant means businessman. She was a businessman and she had this much rupees. So what the merchant do? What the businessman do? They purchase one thing and sell that with some profit. Suppose she purchased, or any businessman purchased a pen. Suppose he or she is doing a business of pens. Okay, she is selling pens. So what they do, what the businessman do, they purchase it with rupees 10, okay, from some other place, and they sell it with in rupees 20. Means, see, they purchase with rupees 10 and they sell it in 20 rupees. So they get a profit of 10 rupees. Oh, okay. So this is the way they earn money. They purchase in rupees 10 and sell the same thing in 20 rupees. So they get a profit of 10 rupees. This way they earn money. So they purchase from some other place and sell in some other place with some profit and gain money, and that is the way they earn money, right? So now a merchant had rupees 78,592 with her. She placed an order for purchasing 40 radio sets at rupees 1200 each. She placed an order for purchasing 40 radio sets. How many radio sets she purchased? She purchased 40 radio sets. What is radio sets? Radio is a device like TV, like television, in which we can only hear the programs. We cannot watch. In television, in TV, we can watch the programs. But in radio, we can only hear the programs. All the programs we can only hear, but we cannot watch. That is known as radio sets. Radio. Okay, so she placed an order for purchase. So she is a businessman of radio. She is doing business of radio. She is the merchant of radio. So she placed an order for purchasing 40 radio sets at rupees 1200 each. How many radio sets she purchased? 40 radio sets, and the cost of each radio set is rupees 1200. How many radio sets? 40 radio sets she is purchasing, and the cost of each radio set is rupees 1200. Okay, and she had already rupees 78,592 with her, and she is purchasing 40 radio set. Each radio set costs rupees 1200. Okay. Now, how much money will remain with her after the purchase? After the purchase, after she has purchased 40 radio sets, then how many money will remain with her after the purchase? After she purchase 40 radio sets, then how much money will remain with her? We have to find that. Okay. So how we will find? See, the cost of one radio set is one radio set is 1200 rupees. Okay, so the cost of I'll give you one other example to understand. See, suppose the cost of one radio set, this is an example I am giving. Suppose one radio set costs rupees 10, suppose. So two radio sets will cost how much? 10 into 2. Because the cost of one radio set is 10 and we want to purchase two radio sets. So the cost of two radio sets will be 20. Like that, the cost of three radio sets will be 10 into 3. So it will be rupees 30. Like that, if we want to purchase 40 radio sets, the cost of one radio set is 10. So the cost of 40 radio sets will be 40 into 10. Like we found the cost of two radio sets will be 10 into 2. The cost of 3 radio sets will be 10 into 3 because the cost of 1 is 10. So the cost of 3 will be 10 into 3, which will give 30 rupees. So the cost of 40 radio sets will be 40 into 10. 40 into the cost of one radio set. So it will be rupees 400. Okay, now we will do the solution. Because here we have to find the cost of 40 radio set and the cost of one radio set is rupees 1200. So now we will do the solution of this problem. Solution. Cost of one radio set. She placed an order for purchasing 40 radio sets at rupees 1200 each. Means the cost of one radio set is 1200. Cost of one radio set is equal to how much? Rupees 1200. So cost of 40 radio sets will be how much? Cost of 40 radio sets will be 40 into 1200. So it will give how much? 40 into 1200. How we will find? 1200 into 40. Okay, so 0 into 0 is 0, 0 into 0 is 0, 0 into 2 is 0 because 0 multiplied with any number is equal to 0. So 0 into 2 is equal to 0, 0 into 1 is 0. Now 4 into 0 is 0, 4 into 0 is 0, 4 to the 4 into 2 is 8, 4 into 1 is 4. So now we have to add 0, 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 8 is 8 and this is 4. So this gives 48. It will be rupees 48,000. See, the cost of one radio set is rupees 1200. Therefore, the cost of 40 radio sets will be 40 into 1200, which is equal to 40 into 1200 is equal to 48,000. So the cost of 40 radio sets will be rupees 48,000. Okay. So, and she had this much rupee. So now how much rupee will remain with her after the purchase? Because see, she purchased and she has spent these many rupees to purchase the radio sets, right? So now how much money will remain with her? Because she had this much rupee with her earlier and now she has spent this many rupees to purchase the radio set. So how we will find how much money remains with her? We will subtract this from this. Okay, because she had this much rupee and she has spent this much rupee to purchase the radio set. So how much remains? How we will calculate? We will subtract this from this. Suppose you had rupees 30 with you, okay, and you have purchased something of rupees 20. Then how much money remains with you? 30 minus 20. Because you had 30 rupees with you and you have spent rupees 20 to purchase something. Now how much remains with you after the purchase? That is 30 minus 20. So 10 rupees 10 remains with you after the purchase. Same thing we will do here after the purchase. So how much money will remain after with her after the purchase? Therefore, after the purchase, the money remain with her. The money remain with her is equal to this minus this. What is that? Rupees 78,592 minus rupees 48,000. So now we have to do the subtraction. So let us do the subtraction. 78,592 and this is 48,000 and we have to do subtraction. So 2 minus 0 is 2, 9 minus 0 is 9, 5 minus 0 is 5, 8 minus 8 is 0 and 7 minus 4 is 3. So this is 30,592. This is rupees 30,592. So after the purchase, the money remained with her is equal to 30,592. So understood this question? The money remaining with her is, this much money remains with her after the purchase. If you like the video, then share with your friends and relatives and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification of the videos. So in the next class, we will do question number 8 of exercise 1.2. So till then, take care. Bye.